Alright, feel free to join Evil as Evil tears apart the car. Evil is in the process of changing the headlight assembly thing there. We have all those pieces out. Part where Evil lays on the floor. 8. There's only supposed to be 7 screws, and there's 8. What the hell? And there should be 2 of these bolts, but one's missing. Now there are these thingies here that Evil needs to take out. We will attempt the stabbing tool. Come on. Now the other side. Alright, Evil has this piece off. So there's a bolt right here. Evil still has to take the nuts off of these. And there's a nut on a bolt stud way back in here. Bolt. I can't get your fucking head in there. Oh yeah, there it is. This is where you need ratcheting wrench. The hell? Is that not even tight or what? Oh no, that wasn't only finger fucking tight. Look. Oh. Right. This side is about off. Moments of truth here. All right. Unhook a wire there. We have a piece and a piece. Now Evil can remove this piece. Put in the other piece. And then put it all back together. This could get like it. Ah! Evil found the hole. Look at that, fucking all that water in there. Now would be time for a smoke, but Evil don't smoke. Evil will have to take a piss instead. Reassemble. Begin the reassembly process. You think they got a torque spec on these bolts? That many torques. That's how much they're getting. And Evil says, let there be light. There is light. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. What the hell? And that, boys and girls, this is why they tell you to have two peoples. All right. The harder part is done. Job. When you tighten the nuts down, you want the lines to line up. If the lines don't line up, you'd be pissed off. Might help if you had a nut. Is that why they fucking didn't tighten them? Because they're stripped or some shit? That would piss Evil off. Because Evil's using a 7/16 on a 10 M&M. Evil don't have a 10 M&M deep socket. Evil will have to invest in a 10 M&M deep socket. That's tight. That's fucking tight. That's tighter than it was. It wasn't even tight before. It's tight now. That looks good. Evil can live with that. Shouldn't need these out anymore. Can go back in, even though they were the first thing to come out. They don't have to be the last thing to go back in. Now Evil go lay on the floor again and put this stuff in there. Hey. Evil got one started. Yay! Evil does not have any more bolts like that because they're M&M bolts. Evil will have to find one. Tighten them fuckers up. That piece is officially back on. Now maybe them fender thingies there. Now we need some push pins and some pop rivets. Alright, this side is done. Now to do the other side, and the whole thing be done. And it will be done. And there we have it. Evil is done. Except for putting the license plate back on. Junk piece. Evil has removed the junk piece. Put in the new piece. Evil has spare bulbs now. Spare bulbs. Evil is done. It is done. 4 in the morning. That means it took Evil 2 hours, 3 hours. Evil will look